Hi, today we're going to talk about how to use the discovery box from the library homepage to look for psychology articles. So if you're at the Columbus State University page, you go ahead and click on Academics, Libraries, and you'll see the Discover box right in the middle of the page. Now, one thing I want to remind everybody is if you're off campus, distance learning or online learning this semester, that if you are logged into your My CSU account, that you should be able to click into all of our databases, and you should be able to click right in. If you have any trouble with that, you can always contact me or contact a librarian, and we will be able to walk you through that process. So front and center, the Discover box is basically, it acts like an academic or scholarly Google, so to speak. It's going to search all kinds of media, articles, books, and your main focus will be just to narrow, because sometimes you get so many hits that you'll have to narrow it, and that will be, sometimes that can be challenging. So I'll go ahead and run a search here. College students and coping skills. This particular search is pulling up mainly articles. Sometimes it'll pull up videos, but this particular search did not. So on the left, you can limit on the left. You can limit to full text. You could limit just to peer-reviewed journals, which is usually what your professors want you to use. You could limit the dates just to have the last 10 years. You could limit here just if you were looking for ebooks that you wanted to use off campus, you could limit by ebooks. You could limit by language. That could be helpful. Go ahead and click on this first one, and you can see the article title here. This is the abstract page. This is the Journal of Advanced Medicine and Science, where the article resides, with the other information for it, the volume and the issue and the year. And you see the link to the PDF full text right here. Another thing I like to point out to people when they're doing their research is the subject terms that are used to describe the article. You take a look at these if you're struggling with your search terms up here in the keyword box. Sometimes you can find other ways to say the same thing within the subject terms. And on the right, always remember there's a citation button to grab your APA, and always remember to check it really closely, because there can be mistakes in the APA. There's a button to upload it to your Google Drive. There's a button to add it to a folder. And I'll go ahead and click the results list. Get back to the results. Another way that you could narrow just to psychology type articles within the Discover box is to limit by database, and then look for the psychology collection and update, and that would give you more psychology flavored articles, which includes the one we just looked at. So there you have it. That is the Discover box from the library homepage. And I will go back to this page. This is where we started. So that tutorial was just about how to use the Discover box from the library homepage. I'll be back with another tutorial soon.